Hello everyone, so with the release of WandaVision, Marvel's Phase 4 has officially started, but there are 4 freaking months remaining in the release of first Marvel Phase 4 movie. Phase 4 will start from 2021 and will end in 2023. That means from Black Widow to Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. So today in this video, I'll talk about the upcoming Marvel movies in the Phase 4 that will give a lot of stress to our mighty superheroes. So hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav. Let's begin the video. Number 1. Black Widow. Black Widow was set to release on 19th May 2020, but due to pandemic the movie delayed for 1 year, which is going to be released on 19th May 2021, and there are few chances that Black Widow may get delayed again. Scarlett Johansson starring Black Widow will be placed between Captain America The Civil War and Avengers Infinity War, where she will face O.T. Bangle's Taskmaster. Number 2. Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings is set to be released on 9 July 2021, which will introduce the brand new superheroes in the MCU, and this will be the first time that an Asian guy will be in the lead. Ten Rings is a terrorist organization that is led by Mandarin. In Iron Man 2, Mandarin was referred, but this time it's official that Mandarin will be the villain. Number 3. Eternals. Eternals are immortal super powerful cosmic race which were the human experimented to be the Eternals. They were also called as the space gods. Eternal will be just like Guardians of the Galaxy, which will release in late 2021. It is rumors that Deviant will be the villain in the movie led by the Crow. Number 4. Spider-Man 3. Next movie is Spider-Man 3, that is the most hyped movie of the Phase 4. Since Kevin Feige announced about the multiverse, fans are very excited and expecting to see Tobey Maguire and Henry Cavill returning. Electro is confirmed in the movie, but since we have seen couple of Sinister Six members in previous Spider-Man movies, it is sure that Sinister Six may be the mess to the Peter Parker. Number 5. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. The most mysterious movie of the Phase 4, Doctor Strange in the Madness of the Multiverse, that will give the official multiverse experience to the fans. It is confirmed that Chiwetel Ejiofor's Mordo may return as villainous one in the movie, or Wanda will show up as the villain. Let's see who will be the main challenge to the Sorcerer Supreme. Number 6. Thor Love and Thunder. The god of thunder, Thor, will be in huge trouble as he will face Gorr the God Butcher. Gorr the God Butcher's main motive is to kill gods in the universe, and because we will see Christian Bale in the movie, so that sure we will get Batman vs Thor vibes here. This movie is going to be more awesome because Foster will lift the Mjolnir here, and Guardians may appear here, and if the storyline goes according to the comic, then Thor may get unworthy. Number 7. Black Panther 2. Black Panther 2 will be the most emotional as there will be no Chadwick Boseman in the movie, and yet it's not confirmed who will be the T'Challa and villain in the movie. I don't want to talk about this movie because there's no expected villain yet. Some believe that Killmonger may back as villain. Number 8. Captain Marvel 2. The movie is set to be released in November 2020. There are not that much updates regarding this movie, but some believe that Rogue will be the main villain in the movie. And if anyhow X-Men join the MCU, then there will be high chances of Mystique be the villain here. Number 9. Ant-Man and the Wasp Quantumania. This movie will explore quantum realm in the deep, and there will be high chances of getting Easter eggs regarding X-Men and Logan. Ant-Man 3 will have one of the most powerful villain, Kang the Conqueror, that will make the movie more iconic. Number 10. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 will be the last movie of the Phase 4 that may get late 2022 release date or the start of 2023. There are no updates regarding the movie, but Adam Warlock may be the villain here. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe to my both channel. I will meet you in another Marvel DC topic. Till then, bye bye.
Professor? 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 Professor! Professor! Sí, profesor. El profesor. El profesor. El profesor. El profesor. Profesor. Call me Professor.